I'm going to give a 9. Kyle Filipowski coming up off the bench. One of our super subs. 20 minutes, 16 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists. I watched Kyle throughout this game. He was really good. Played defense the way you wanted it to. Wasn't rattled by anything that the Pacers were saying. And maybe a lot of that is because it's the Indiana Pacers, at least in comparison to the Minnesota Timberwolves, who, like, that last game yesterday, like, they were tough. They were tough to beat. And they definitely went at Kyle Filipowski on that. But I thought Kyle Filipowski was great. He was, 33% from three? That's not great, but he only took 3 threes and hit one of them, and then 87% from his free throws, which is really good. Plus 15, plus minus. At halftime, he had the best plus minus at plus 16. So overall, like, again, for the 20 minutes of play, 7 rebounds, I gotta give him an 8. That's a really good performance from Kyle Filipowski.